am, is, are. I am a student. I am a student. He is riding a bicycle. He is riding a bicycle. They are working for a company. They are working for a company. I am studying at a school. I am studying at a school. She is living in a village. She is living in a village. Friends are sitting in the classroom. Friends are sitting in the classroom. I'm going to a library. I'm going to a library. Uncle is walking in the garden. Uncle is walking in the garden. We are playing cricket. We are playing cricket. I am drinking tea. I am drinking tea. Mother is cooking in the kitchen. Mother is cooking in the kitchen. They are cleaning their house. They are cleaning their house. I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. She is buying new clothes. She is buying new clothes. Neighbors are helping us. Neighbors are helping us. I'm making a cake. I'm making a cake. He is singing at a party. He is singing at a party. We are celebrating her birthday. We are celebrating her birthday. Grandmother is advising us. Grandmother is advising us. Grandfather is telling stories. Grandfather is telling stories. Thank you for watching. If you think this video is good, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.